2016, that was the 2015-2016 season. Kelechi Yashuahi. Hey! This time, in turn that screen is no. Legon Cities, those years, na wa All Stars. After 2018, nimuna owner, because he issues nearby, no, and no more time in Legon Cities. But that year, no, it was called WA All Stars. Omo move far league, no, omo 51 points. Show. Second was Diana, onya 49. House of Folk, omo ye bia, omo the third with 48 points. Internal points difference no was just 3 meboa 3 points per and a domone winners e Wild Stars no and am a Man City fourth with 46 points Kotoko edi fifth with 46 points Wafa munyina ne namu ene Wafa yin hu ba bi omo ne nampo list wa he game ni bi wa he table no those years ene ma na ma league ni ye fair e ma man for per league no na bi ni sen.
I think that particular year no had to full coach Kelechi Yashuahi. Had a lot of excitement at the league.
Okay.
A lot of excitement. And at that time, I think maybe that time I had the last batch of quality players.
Okay.
So Cosmos Lauda. On control now.
Yeah.
Or the left boy.
Yeah.
And then strikers will be Ghanaian striker. A tries there now. Obenya ankle injury. What I say, Robinyani, one kind of defender. Kakofi, Oko Media Masada.
Sabana Hene no Wenfa. But I had young number 11.
Oh, sir, by now owns a more Akuwa now married. I jab on him. Okuwa now share a bia. Was he doing so? Right? Was he doing so? I never said, I say, what share I think Estonia and Mortar no yeah.
Only other players no.
Okay. And say on opening the last guy I know was a squad with him. You want to know the captain of Moji.
Yeah.
What how to the that time Kwame boy him on the quality no modernity. So both teams need an issue quality and look the venues are Kelechi could pick a points. I remember our game against against Inter-Allies. I think it is the most epic game my witness in recent times.
Has
Inter-Allies. It was a game of 70 against 30. Inter-Allies dominated 70 minutes, but the last 30 minutes has extra mafia and has introduced one striker. You name say Bianco Koswa because now here the body stitch and anonia samajan ikra.
Okay.
That type of Musa.
Okay.
Yeah, huni biam.
Yeah.
Coach in free or yeah, huni biam. Kelechi had a lot of vibe, a lot of buzz, a lot of excitement, and I think Sahel League, it was theirs to lose.
Okay.
But some of decisions now, I has no kotoko taking I can wasem. And I now saying, say, look, there is a Real Madrid that hormone. And you will be a coffee team, and no team no elite.
Okay.
Somebody's decisions, right? Somebody's ideas.
Okay.
And my institution, a great.
Okay.
There is no institution in this world, and no I great on its own. It take leaders.
Okay.
Good leaders, good people. People are intelligent. Big vision. Say has the value of Kelechi. Na komuni na nyesa level no mo ne koye na mu ja no kwa man no. Ubekubu na enye issue bi enye. That time no mu players ne ka.
Yes. No ko kan.
Kana coach ne ka say munya dey. Mu tua me ka emre players na me ne omu ye adwuma. How does this warrant so you be frustrating say in a party ways? And since then, as the last time I'm coming close was some Obodu. Yeah. Hey. What I say? And apart from that, so imagine say 2016 and Kelechi try how be am say be 5 years ago. How do my dey go my 5 years?
Go be conquer Africa.
Be go bet my conquer Africa because enye ono Mustafa Esuma Satam has for so abakokra. E Kenechi ne ka say I need him.
Ye pa.
Share team no. I've never seen somebody or building a team within that shortest possible of time. Oko Linkley. Eko PK 3 points.
Ono ye dreadful venue.
Oko Midiama.
Takwa
ego kwa J points. Oko another venue.
Domana.
That strong Domana the omu winning order. Strong places are has finding it very difficult. Oko koye den. Eko winning ya. Na sometimes na say they no lead the table no. E lead with only say 2 points or something. And has yeah no mo dwen say oko players na betumi abo. Say dey. I don't want to be Angelique. So this is what I remember at that time. The only disappointment and everybody who has fun. And I know that those people who did that, will look back and say, had we exercised some level of restraint, some level of maybe some level of patience, and I say, Bibisa, I don't want to use any offensive.
That is when PK points.
What?
So time and no more bomb again.
Certain American. Sabo no shepa, Charlie.
Let's together.
Pure football pa. I know we then supporters no mudiha. Has a time na koto konda fem.
How much chase can crama players no?
Na koto konda fem. It's not a opportunity for us to dominate. I know we na wow stars mum efa chire.
Be winning.
Ebe J league. You know. That is what I remember at that time, and I don't think that we are going to witness something like that time in this way, because this time, the people now also play football. I'm not sure that they are ready to do it.
Okay, well, prepare bumper, mami call Dean. So Dean, list of car and yama na a year interesting, a year exciting, and mass supporters ever park. This time, a then assassin.
Kenechi Bebe has a folk coach and I want to start.
Okay.
The first time in so many years now has a folk into me PK points or bossy.
Okay.
Or PK or bossy. Or PK points or takwa. Or breakum PK points. Before mobile sacking no has a folk nine the best performing away team. I will lead you. And Mekaita Momo appointed no, and some amount for a kind. He was appointed around October 2015.
Okay.
But then almost sacking the Mekai June 20th, 2016. 20th June. And June 2016. Yes. It was a Monday in a house for the press release by.
Look at that.
Yeah, no, a Monday. Mekai
20th
June 2016.
At a point, Mekai said, or the bicycle company and eco training.
Yeah. He said, or one person he was able to bring the supporters together.
Okay.
Na and house for MSA. And or those antics bia. Na or ya na say fans no. He said Samobodu brought that way no, a little bit of mojo. That stuff no. Not fans no MSS sad no. To be say Samobodu ombobo we are no ye say. Na say fans in any agency. Kenechi no so war. Something unique about him.
Okay.
And me kai kwan of us or the Japanese and I say Asian community no. At the buyer no new a year juma. When it's Baba Stadium, not Asian community, no, flag. Those times, and yes, and then league is so exceptional. But something unique about the league, and I said the fans were happy.
Okay.
Although even say Kotoko cry, no, because say form no, then said any one. When was the last time you had both Haas and Kotoko performing simultaneously? It's been so long. And Makasa same way say for the league to be the best you have to get Haas and Kotoko, both clubs performing.
Okay.
Ghana football, 80% Ekura Haas and Kotoko.
Okay.
40-40. Yes, it's a fact. Wow. When Haas is performing and Kotoko is performing, Ghana football is good. Everybody is happy. Oh, everybody is happy. Because Kotoko supporters, no. If you Kumasi. The team nature besia Kokwando, they have no problem.
because their team is performing.
And Monday and Pombe Freddy D has supporters not tempoto. Has of one so be Freddy D kotoko. And it's those banter in a game near beautiful.
Of course.
And to be has for no fee. Weekend we on. Say Uncle Shepando cry. Until Oben's kotoko probably will play on Saturday. Unam Kromo Ben's radio to has supporters. Pando Ashabako, Omu Kromusa, Omu Kromusa. It was a damn kotoko atiasha. Omba no mubu fu so bro manuku. Obense kotoko for ne ba no. Echina ya de vim ni na akobrekum. Obeba fit pando atwamu abakuma se aba besia akobrekum. Akwakwahwe. Enti brekum supporters no so mo nam 100 kotoko fo nkwa number 50. Omu ko support omu. No omu ye dede na brekum Chelsea so abo first goal. Obewe stadium aye.
Yeah.
Ebi ana ha sa tiahye anasa has about draw obon kotokofo ni yedi na hasofo ni buofu next week ya de be shema entire life for her so that excitement no na na wo league in those times eno na na eboa and utumi hu players bi abi wa bobe 2-3 seasons our league nim.
Okay,
we've talked about Shokan imagine say Shokan e kotokwa so what I say, or a household name or league name.
Okay,
he's been very, very phenomenal last season. And to imagine Kotoko getting Shokan. So what I say, Kotoko supporters in Stadium. Ombeboni din. One guy Accra Lions boy no. Oh, how many din says ya? Kumasu so the enchani amaudin.
Okay.
Ni a chero wewu and Maradona. Ya di Accra Maradona ba. You know, Kotoko fans no ewo that style no.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Atebubu word pele. Ya de na ba Kotoko.
That's na a put fear
yes.
in opponents.
Yes. And those things Emma game no bring some excitement.
Okay.
Be league no minti obi wo feel cross when no say ya Atebu Maradona Kotoko akoto no to ma ya so munwe ya be kwa kwahwe no.
Okay.
And to be say one game obeko na boy no aye some beautiful flick bi. Kai boy we. Ballon d'Or BGB. Boy we the only bobo.
And the noises around him alone.
Into the obehu social media. Boy we me so ni bob watching Messi. Auntie, oben say has for so bofu. Probably has for so player bia e bi omo kofa ni fi afienya. Omo say boy we. What Zidane pepepe. Some star bi oye no. Me kai Zidane 2002 Champions League volley no boy against Leverkusen no. E no bia na abrante na share. So auntie fans and Ankasano, but when you don't have the fans behind the club, when you don't have the fans say or more running as support club no ye dede for the club, it makes it very difficult. Yeah, obebo all the beautiful game. Kotoko. And then na sponsor by then one year. Social media then one year. Me say then one year. Branding and dede I Fabu sensors anameboa. Fabu sensors no yewu dede. See you on am station to station. Hardly, you know.
Promo club.
Not all yet. But at the end of the day, supporters say na never be game.
No mun time ko.
Okay. That is what we are missing.
Matthias,
so if Kotoko has omo find omo mojo no na omo let them me say omo to just 60-70% of what we were having previous years and see. Fantastic.